Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is second question of its exercise 3.6. So the question says that what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? So part A, HCF of two consecutive number is 1. Example 2 and 3. So HCF हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 2 के फैक्टर जाएंगे हमारे पास 2 into 1 एंड 3 के फैक्टर जाएंगे 3 हो जाएगा हमारे पास 3 into 1. सो कॉमन आ जाएगा हमारे पास ओनली 1. B, even numbers. So HCF of two consecutive even number is 2. Example 2, 4. So HCF हो जाएगा हमारे पास 2. 2 is equal to 2 into 1 and 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So हो जाएगा 2 कॉमन, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर हो जाएगा. So HCF is equal to 2. Part C, HCF of two consecutive odd number is 1. Example 3, 5. HCF हो जाएगा 1. 3 is equal to 1 into 3. 5 is equal to 1 into 5. So common factor आ जाएगा 1. So 1 is the HCF. Thank you.